Welcome my viewers and subscribers. In today's video, I'm going to teach us how we can correct cracks on the wall before screeding. You know, there are some cracks on the wall that you cannot screed on it, or you cannot use paint filler or putty to fill on it, because when you do that, the wall will still crack, and that will be a temporary fixing. But in this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can repair your walls permanently from cracks. Stay tuned and enjoy. There are some cracks you can feel, but there are some you cannot feel that you need to thoroughly maintain it. Just like this one now, you can feel this one because it's not coming from the structure, from the foundation. Like this one too, it's not from the foundation. You can feel them with putty. Do you understand me? But like this one now, it's a no. Don't feel this way. This one, no, don't feel this way, because this one is coming right from the foundation. All you need to do is mark that place, cut it. As you can see what is going on in the video, you mark it out, then you have to cut it. When you finish marking out, you cut it. Just look at the video, you will see the way it's being marked out. Understand? Just you looking at the video, you will see it, the way it will be done. Those places that is being marked out, we will later fill those places with 10 mm rod or 12 mm rods. You will fill them, then mix cement and sand with water and refill them back. These ones now, you can see it's being chiseled out. Sometimes the reason why we use filing machine to cut it is to reduce the stress on the wall, in order not to cause more cracks on the building. That's why it's good for you to use cutting machine. Do you understand? Because the cutting machine will reduce the pressure on the wall. So this thing now is another method. I will still show you another method you can use. You can see they are putting rods. When they put this rod now, they will now plaster it with a mortar. That is a mixture of cement and sand. You put the rod. This thing now will reduce the vibration, because most of these things are being caused by air shift or vibration, or ill use of materials during the foundation laying. But with this now, it will reduce those shifts. You can see it. Then look at this one again. This one now is coming direct from the foundation. All you need to do is to mark it. You can see the way we are marking it out. Then when you mark it out, you cut it with a machine that is hand cutter. The reason why I said it before, the reason why we are using cutter is to reduce pressure on the building, because if you start chiseling, only chiseling, it will cause more cracks. So we now use a filing machine to file it out, cut it. Then when you cut it, you use chiseling to reduce it. You can see you now put 10 mm rod or 12 mm rod from the foundation where it's shifting. You put it down from foundation to up, create what we call reinforcement. When you must have done this thing, just plaster the wall. Your wall is good to go. Thank you for watching. Thank you.